Hello friends, welcome to Mitra Creation. I'm a young and creative motion graphic designer. I love to work in Photoshop and After Effects. All who want to learn can follow my channel, it's free. Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how you can simply upload an image to your Instagram from your computer. Make sure you have an internet connection. Just open your Chrome browser, and go to your Instagram account. Click on three dots on right side of your browser. Go to More Tools and then Developer Tools. You can also use the F12 function key or Ctrl+Shift+I to open Developer Tools. Now click on this button, Toggle Device Toolbar. As you can see, Instagram appears in mobile view. Now you have to just refresh this page. Now look at this guys. It's look like your mobile view. Here the plus sign. Now you can add your photos from here. Add any image you want, select it. I'm selecting this image of my channel logo. Resize it according to you. You can use filters. Good. Next, you can add caption, tag, location. Now just simply share. Here is my image. Uploaded successfully. Let me know in the comment section, is this helpful or not? And yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.